What's up? It's your girl Imani. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new, what's up, what's poppin', and welcome. And we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into this video. So you guys are actually gonna sit here and watch me do my hair because your girl, I had her wig on at the pool with her kids, and the wig was like, sis, I can't withstand the heat. So she started sliding, and it looked like I took a woolly mammoth off my hair. My set it off braids was showing and everything, but luckily I was at my mama's house, so who the freak was gonna check me? Anyway, I got home and I was like, I'm tired of this Kool-Aid red. And then the red was washing out, so you can see some of the blonde patches. And then on top of that, my roots are black. So I was like, this is just not giving anymore. So to do something. So I went into my bookshelf and I had some leftover semi-permanent hair dye, and I think I used Cajun spice, cinnamon, and a regular brown just to make it darker, just because that red, I was just over it. So I did that, and there's actually a vlog of me doing that, doing my hair, pressing it and everything, because oh my gosh, when I tell you my hair was so mad at my hair was like, girl, you don't love me no more, because what is going on? And in that vlog you probably see me deep conditioning all that stuff in my hair, but it was time for me to do something. And in this video, of course, you're going to be seeing me do like that claw clip look. I really feel like, everybody has a signature look, whether it be locks, the braids, the bun, ponytail, side part, middle part, weave, whatever. Mine, I swear this claw clip hairstyle was made just for me. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with it. But what I really wanted to come on here and tell you guys is, just a little bit of life updates. So if you've been watching my videos lately, you know that since February, I've been being consistent with posting videos, and I've been feeling like, I've really been putting in the work. I've been promoting everywhere. I tried Twitter, but Twitter's just not for me. I feel like an old head trying to use that app. Do not clock me for it, but I just cannot use Twitter. But I think the biggest thing that I'm going through right now is I'm hearing a lot of no's, and this is a raw moment for me because, before I went through this phase of when I would reach out to brands, I would always get an answer back, and it would always be the, of course, most desirable one. But as of lately, I'm either hearing nothing back or I'm hearing no's back, and it's kind of upsetting because, I really feel like I came a long way from, when I originally was doing makeup and when I was originally posting videos. I wasn't consistent on my YouTube channel. I was more consistent on Instagram at the time, but I felt like, okay, cool. So I'm hearing more from these brands, but now I just feel like I've reached a dead end zone, and it's just like, I don't know what this is. Maybe this is just that period, that breakthrough moment that God is trying to show me, like, right now you're hearing all these no's, but don't stop, because if I stop, like, I'm literally at the door about to turn the key and open the door, but it does get a little, like, what's the word? Not depressing, but it just discouraging. It gets discouraging where it's just like, like, I'm trying and nothing is working. And I feel like God's behind the scenes, like, it's working. You just don't see it because it's not for you to see. I just need you to keep doing what you're doing now. Keep working. Keep doing what I have you doing. And soon as these doors that they're not opening up, they're going to have no choice basically but to open them up for you. Like, you're about to buy the building, and I feel that wholeheartedly, but I'm just being honest with you guys. It is a little discouraging sometimes, and I want to collaborate more with more YouTubers or content creators, but I keep going back and forth with it because I am one of those people that I am an introvert. I am big on energy. I read people's energies, and I don't ever want to feel like, people are basically saying, oh, she's coming at me because she wants to, basically not just grow. That's not the word I'm looking for. Or basically like she's using me to get up here, or, oh, sorry, y'all, my daughter's right here. My mom. But, basically saying things like, oh, she needed me to get her. No, I don't need nobody saying that. Like, I feel like I could build all this stuff on my own with the support of you guys, of course, because I feel like out of everything, you guys are the biggest reason why I continue. You guys are the biggest reason why I'm even putting out content. Like, I really appreciate you guys. But I just feel like with collaborating right now, with the ones that I've been getting, of course, like, to say, I think I've had somebody say, oh, do one with Aaliyah J, do one with Neek. But here's the thing that you guys don't understand when trying to collaborate with other influencers or bloggers or whatever. They have to see a mutual benefit there. So if me with my subscribers, which, don't get me wrong, I really appreciate the fact that you guys see me up there to be able to collaborate with them. But there, like I said, there has to be a mutual benefit. So if I go reach out to them, they're gonna think, oh, well, I have 1 million subscribers. She only has 2,000 something of her. I would be gaining way more than what they would be gaining. So to them, it's just like, I can go collaborate with somebody else that has, if not the same, audience or whatever, or same demographics and same amount, and gain something from that, as far as maybe some people that didn't know about this channel. Yeah, cool. That's easy. But on my instance, I'd be gaining way more. So I appreciate the fact that you guys are wanting me to work with these people. And my time will come where I will be. I'm not going to ever say that I can't. Right now, though, is not my time to. But I will. Trust me, I will. Because I appreciate that you guys think of me in that light, to be able to work with these type of influencers. But at the very moment, I cannot. So that is that. But also, just continue on with my channel. I'm realizing too, with makeup, as much as I love doing my makeup, I find myself going more into the vlogs. I just feel like my lifestyle is more conducive with those type of videos. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to stop them completely or whatever, but they will be minimized, just because I have more time to vlog and it's an easier schedule for me, rather than sitting down and trying to do a makeup tutorial and I have fussing kids, or I have a dog I have to take out. Of course, I'm always gonna make sure my household is straight, but kids are unpredictable. So you might be getting more vlogs, more get ready with me type of videos for me, as far as makeup too, because it's a little bit more difficult for me to sit down. And plus, I feel like I've done every makeup tutorial that you can think of. So I think I'm just going into the get ready with me style. I like it more. But without a doubt, I do appreciate you guys always giving me input and always, interacting with me, engaging with me, and telling me what you guys want to see. It really does mean a lot for me. As far as any other updates, I think out of all of them, I don't really have too many updates for you guys. You guys have been on this journey with me, so everything that I needed to say to you guys, I've said. But out of them all, I think I'm in this waiting stage, but not just waiting idle. I'm in this waiting but working stage. So everything that you guys see me putting out is for a reason. So I am praying that within a year of me being consistent on YouTube, that I see things come into fruition. And I can't even just say I pray that I see it come into fruition, because I am seeing it happen. But I'm praying for that huge breakthrough that really sends me over the top to where I want to go, where I see myself going, and where I see me taking my channel to. But other than that, I don't really have too many more updates. I know you guys said I should do a Q&A, and that's probably because right off the top of my head I can't think of anything. So if you guys would like for me to do a Q&A, feel free to drop some questions down below, or slide them in my DM on Instagram, and we could definitely do a video on that. But I'm gonna let you guys finish watching this video, and I'm actually gonna go eat and go tend to my son and my daughter, because they're up, and my daughter is looking at me like, girl, what are you doing? So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't click out though. Do not click out. Finish watching the video. Finish vibing out for the day. But like I said, I'm leaving it here, and I really appreciate you guys for watching and tuning in. And like I said, let me know down in the comments below what you want to see more of, or if you have any questions for me. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go tend to my babies.